Here we are walking along the beach for the Iberostar Suites section. The water is just a very beautiful blue. The sand's incredible. Very long beach. Great for strolling.
Are you say a little faster? Okay, ready?
Well, and here we're walking up to the pool area.
Where are we going? Wait, I'm doing it.
Just have fun just to sit along the pool area, overlook the beach. This is a wedding location gazebo.
We do romantic dinner there in the nighttime in case a couple want to do that or a person celebrating something where they can utilize it. Otherwise,
More of an activity pool.
Look, it's the cubby.
So we'll show you around a little bit more here at the Iberostar Suites. Blissful honeymoons and destination weddings and blissful vacations. Here we are touring the Iberostar Suites section. Suites, which is right next door to Iberostar Beach and in between the Grand. They do have a kids park here, as you can see. At the suite, you do have 24-hour room service, where you don't at the beach location. You get more restaurant reservations for a la carte restaurants. Nice gym workout facility. You can see the video.
Yeah, their gym is really nice.
But I'll show you around a little bit more here at the Iberostar Suites. Here at the Suites, they do have a lazy river.
By the time we actually get to where we can be at the beach,
It goes around, which is kind of cool for a resort to have a lazy river. I like that. Check out the entrance here at the beach suites. Very cool. And here's the main check-in lobby here at the Iberostar Suites. The bar, as soon as you get here, you can have yourself a drink. So, hope to see you here at the Iberostar Suites.